Hey, my name's Alex Carswell-Engel. I'm a naturopathic medical doctor.
Hi, my name is Dr. Jason West. I own an integrative medical facility in the booming megatropolis of Pocatello, Idaho.
My name is Rejuv RESTORES. I'm here at the Regenerative Business Summit in San Diego.
I came to the Rejuvenate Mastermind wanting to learn a lot about business systems, a lot about how to get my practice started, because I'm just going to be starting in about 9 months and have a lot to learn, and just felt overwhelmed with the business aspect of things and really felt like I needed a partner and a coach in terms of helping me implement systems, best practices, so that I didn't make a lot of mistakes.
I like to think that I've been to almost every injection course available for prolotherapy, neuroprolotherapy, stem cell, platelets, etc.
I'm trying to learn more regenerative medicine. I've been in this world for a few years, but I'm trying to expand my knowledge. Meeting other folks that are doing this has been amazing.
And Dr. Joel's information was fantastic. The materials were top-notch. The hands-on instruction was phenomenal. But also the business side was really intriguing to me.
With my business starting out as a new first-time business owner, so they were able to offer a lot of ideas, a lot of systems basically to help me streamline things, a lot of support. It was also great to participate in the regenerative injection seminar just to learn some more advanced techniques. Everybody was really, really nice, and there was a good community feel in terms of the injections, not a competitive, you know, I'm better. Well, from my training, I got this. People really were willing to share their best practices and their unique techniques, so overall I got a lot out of it.
The food was fantastic. A lot of times you go to conferences and you get junk food. This is actually really healthy food, which I really appreciated.
Taking away a lot of points from here, and I definitely recommend it to anyone who's looking to expand their knowledge of regenerative medicine.
And so if you're watching this video, my recommendation of someone that's been to a gazillion seminars is this one really, really worth your while. It's fantastic, and I can't wait for the next one.
I'm Dr. Will Mora. I'm from Sacramento, California.
I'm Adriel Benaroya from New York.
I'm Danish Maslow-Gust. I'm an anesthesiologist and interventional pain specialist in Lexington, Kentucky.
Dave Hopp, I'm from Milton, Colorado. I came here to learn more about the business side of running a medical clinic.
And I came to the Regenerative Mastermind to improve my injection skills. And Dr. Joel Baumgartner is the premier prolotherapy stem cell doctor in the world.
I learned tremendous amount of information and techniques. And this is a good time, good opportunity for us to kind of reconnect and get re-enthused and learn about some gaps that we didn't learn or forgot about.
What is out there I see a lot of potential in, but it's daunting to think of building it on your own because it's not something that's, you know, mainstream. So this has been very helpful in both giving me the confidence and more importantly the network.
We get additional recommendations as to how we keep moving forward.
I'm Dr. Linda Ho. I initially bought Dr. Baumgartner's book a few months ago because I was interested in continuing PRP and stem cell therapy.
This is Dr. Bones. I'm from Orlando, Florida. I'm here for the MedFit Mastermind in San Diego. It has been a great experience.
And I'm really very impressed with the presentation, the way the business aspects of the model are put together.
Learn about stem cells, PRP, prolotherapy, actually learn how to inject, sono-guided. I mean, the experience is incredible.
Yeah, A-class. Dr. Baumgartner gave from his heart, was very generous with his time and his wisdom. Enjoyed it tremendously, and I'm looking forward to other courses with him.
These people not only teach you about the medical part of it, but actually how to run your business, how to do marketing, how to really use the correct strategy to become successful. You gotta come here, you gotta do this. See you.